Today, we are going to learn about intravenous cannulas, their sizes, color codes, and flow rates. Cannulation is one of the most common medical procedures, and knowing the correct size is very important for safe and effective patient care. Main content. 1. General rule. The cannula size is measured in gauge. Remember, the smaller the gauge number, the larger the cannula size and the faster the flow rate. 2. Sizes and uses. 14 gauge or range. This is the largest common cannula. It has a flow rate of nearly 270 to 300 ml per minute. It is used in trauma cases and emergency situations where rapid blood or fluid resuscitation is required. 16 gauge gray. The gray cannula allows around 180 to 200 ml per minute. It is also used in emergencies, major surgeries, and for rapid blood transfusion. 18 gauge green. The green cannula runs about 90 to 100 ml per minute. It is widely used for surgery, blood transfusion, and fluid therapy. 20 gauge pink. The pink cannula flows at 60 to 65 ml per minute. This is the most common size for routing of fluids and medications. It can also be used for blood transfusion if needed. 22 gauge blue. The blue cannula delivers around 36 ml per minute. It is suitable for elderly patients, children, or adults with smaller veins. 24 gauge yellow. The yellow cannula allows 20 to 22 ml per minute. It is used for pediatrics, neonates, and patients with fragile veins. Conclusion. To summarize, the larger the cannula, the faster the flow. Orange 14 is for major trauma, while violet 26 is for tiny neonatal veins. Choosing the correct size depends on the patient's condition, vein size, and the type of therapy required.